I'm still sleeping with my sisters, but my mum wasn't sleeping with my sisters, but my sisters are sleeping too. And I need to be quiet because I might wake her up, even though she's probably already awake. So today we're going to be just doing some things, poking, adding, there's good things. Now, I'm going to add a huge block of 3 squirts in the middle now. Don't do this because I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. And once I've mixed it in, I found a soap bubble. So I popped it in, now my hands are all soapy. Oh, I've hit the soap jackpot. See, it turns all squelchy and it's really sticky. So you just have to keep kneading it. It's not like you need food, but you just need to knead it. And if you don't know what kneading is, it's when you're sort of massaging. And if you don't think that's true, go ask your mum, dad, auntie, uncle. I don't care. See, it's turning like bubble gum. It looks like Konski bubblegum slime. Now I'm doing the same technique as him. But I still came up with this technique because I got like putty a couple of years ago, and the putty got really sticky because I accidentally added like glitter or something. These really weird beads, but that was a colour changing putty, so I just had to keep this feels like putty actually. I just had to keep on doing this. Sometimes I did it big like that, sometimes I did it small like that. Now if you go over to my... Oh, it scared me, Mum. I'm playing with my slime. And I'm putting this on YouTube. Now my mother is awake. There we go. Now my mum's awake. This is really sticky, so... Hi there! Look, this is my beautiful cat. Nails. Wow. I need to get this off my hands. Sorry guys. Probably no one will watch this except my family members. My mum doesn't even watch YouTube. Wow. On my laptop I subscribe. I don't have a channel on my laptop and I don't want to make one on my laptop.